I'm Tim Johnson. I'm a fire rescue membership development officer with LGFCU, and I cover the eastern part of North Carolina, which does have the best barbecue in the state. We have a great group of people that the three of us across the state, Juan, Brian, and myself, had the pleasure of meeting and building relationships with. To me, one of the great things that LGFCU does is allows us on many occasions to help these small departments, which in turn helps their communities. But then also the financial side, because LGFCU is so great about helping sponsor a lot of these events, that it makes a huge difference. I happened to be in Robeson County this particular day, traveling around to different departments. I walk in, introduce myself, and we were just talking, and one of the guys said, I wish I could be a member of the credit union. I said, well, you can be. That's kind of my job. That's why I'm here. He said, but I don't work here. He said, I'm just a volunteer. I said, well, the great thing about LGFCU is volunteers can be members. If you're a volunteer Parks and Rec coach, or in your case, you're a volunteer firefighter, so yeah, you can be a member. He said, all right, so y'all do mortgages? I said, yeah, we do. And he said, well, my wife and I have not been married very long, and we've been to a couple of places, a couple of banks, and we're just not in a good place to do it. And so it probably, it's probably not going to work out. I don't know that it'd be any better if I went here, if it's any different. And I said, well, I can't answer that for you. I can't promise you that if you go, that things are going to work out, but I can tell you that they'll do everything they can to help you. It'll be a more personal relationship, in my opinion, than anywhere else you go. And in most cases, what will happen if at this particular moment in time, it's not good, they'll tell you what you need to do to better your situation and to put you in a position to be able to own your own home. I truly believe that. So we're at the State Fire Rescue Expo in Raleigh the next year, and I see this couple of guys coming up, and one, I thought, maybe I'd seen him, but it had been a long time. So they walk up, and he just kind of looks at me and said, you came by my department, didn't you? I said, well, where are you? What county are you in? That'll tell us who it was. He said, Robeson County. I said, yeah, that would have been me. He said, I need to come around this table. I said, well, all right. He walked around and he gave me a big bear hug, and he said, I don't know if you remember, but you gave me some information about mortgages. And I had been to these several other, I can't remember if he told me how many exactly, but I'd been to these several other places, and we had not, had any luck. And so we went, and there were some things we needed to do to get straight, but within the last 30 to 60 days, they had gotten approval. They were working things out, and they were going to be able to, kind of have their dream, I guess you'd say, and kind of get their life started. So it's pretty cool.
LGFCU is an equal housing opportunity lender and federally insured by NCUA.